Let's make musket. Let's add water for liters. All ingredients for 2 kilograms masket. Sugar 2 kilograms. Let's add egg white only. "15 minutes later. "20 minutes later. The waste from the sugar should be filtered. Look at this, guys, it's so many. Let's add flour. How to make musket flour in a large pot. Combine the flour and water. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and becomes a dough. Remove the dough from the heat and let it cool slightly. Knead the dough for a few minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Divide the dough into small balls. Add coconut oil, it will make smooth. Let's add color. Let's add ghee. Let's add cashew nuts, almond, dried fruits, nuts and dried fruits. Add half lime juice. I mentioned all ingredients are in my description. Please check out. Add flavour. Our sweet musket is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more.